Hello everyone, it's Frank again with another budget mud truck video. Today's video was a frustrating one. If you watched my last video, you know I broke one of the 4 U-joint retaining strap bolts on the front Dana 60 on the budget mud truck. Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how I fixed it. Now, I know there are better ways of doing this, probably involving removing the yoke, drilling it out with a drill press, and then tapping the hole and getting a whole new bolt that fits that newly tapped hole. I did not do that. I just drilled out the hole underneath the truck without removing the yoke until a bolt that was the same size kind of fit in there with a washer and actually held. I'm sure there's a million reasons why this is a bad idea, but it is what it is. This truck isn't going to be used on roads. This is just an off-road vehicle, so it doesn't matter as much. So, I hope you enjoy the video because I certainly did not enjoy making this one. As you can tell, this took a very long time, and I went through several drill bits doing it. I don't know what this bolt was made of, but it rounded out and even broke so many drill bits, including the easy outs, which are made to extract broken bolts out of holes like this. The actual raw footage of me drilling out this bolt was over 5 hours long. At this point in the editing process though, I decided this is too boring to show you guys, even in super fast speeds as I've been doing. So through the art of video editing, we will skip forward a few hours to the point where the new bolt actually fits into the hole far deep enough to grip the actual threads. Since the new bolt couldn't go all the way in like the original bolt did, I simply put a washer on it. It looks a bit ghetto, but it seems solid enough. The real test will be once I take it to do some off-roading. But that's all I have for today. If you guys enjoy this kind of content, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave me a comment below. And as always, thanks for watching.